editing the Santa ornaments video, I found this frame. It's an example of the camera's vertical shutter, as while it was recording this frame, I started welding, so the top half is lit normally and the bottom half is lit by the welding light. I have instructions. What else? Materials? Pieces? With the boning channels finished, I can now fold the sides in half and sew the end seams into a tube. Happy continuity band-aid, everyone! Next I can cut webbing. Nope, no, I can cut boning.